at Anthony's place now. We're gonna see all this shit going on. I got the camera on him.
The good old days.
Good old days. The Tom's car's in here.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at this shit.
Ah, the beloved Gbody, GM's multi-faceted platform here that was built from 1978 to 1988. Most of you know the GM platform, or the G platform, as the Mighty Grand National. And a lot of you don't realize that this platform was used across GM's production line for many years and came in so many different variants that it's mind-boggling. I mean, you had Buick, obviously, who made it, but every single branch of GM made a version of that car, down to the Cutlass Supreme, the Pontiac Le Mans, Pontiac Bonneville came in 2-door, 4-door, as the El Camino, also as like a pickup truck type of version. But what's really great about these cars is that parts are interchangeable, or at least the mechanical parts are interchangeable. They're plentiful still to this day, and they're cheap to buy. The reason why we liked it as high schoolers is because these cars had bench seats. I know I'm kind of dating myself here, but in the mid 90s, these cars are great cruisers. You didn't have to have that big V8 car because she came with a pretty decent V6, really good interior, and you can hang out with your friends and cruise around and do what you got to do. Now, for the performance guys like us, we love this car because it's a full chassis, body on frame. You can stick any kind of V8 in it because these cars came with V6 and every single GM V8 made, from the Oldsmobile to Buick to the Chevy, 305, 350s. So anything will fit into this platform, which is great. Now, today I'm going over to my buddy's garage just to check out his 1987 Pontiac Grand Prix. Now, it's a low mileage car. It's in really good shape, very straight. But like many of these other GM cars back in the day, especially like the Pontiacs and the Oldsmobiles, they want to make a luxury version of this car. So this car came with like a vinyl half top, all the chrome pieces on the bottom. So what he wanted to do is wanted to update the look of this car and change it around. And I came to his shop today to see what he was doing and to see the update of the car. And hope you enjoy this video. If you want an update, let me know. Talk to you later.
Got everything done. Nice. Ow! What? Payback. Well, this came out good.
Yeah, I got a wet sanded with 400 and then 800.
How was did you take care of the rust stuff?
No rust on this car.
You said there was something by the windows or something like that.
Oh, from the top. I had to do the holes.
Oh, this looks better than the pictures. Look how nice that is.
This car's straight.
What are you using for like an air gun and stuff? You got a compressor and stuff?
I got the compressor.
Oh yeah, so yeah.
I got the 3M gun.
Oh yeah, okay.
You take the pieces off, and you attach to that.
Tom's car is a fucking mess. What the fuck is he doing with this thing?
Oh, we got the motor sent out.
Jesus Christ, man. Did you even get this thing running?
No.
Hey Tom, did you hear that?
No motor.
Oh man. I mean, it's in good shape from what I could see.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's got the GTA wheels on here, or whatever they call it. I forget these third gens.
But I didn't know the rims are bigger in the front than the rear.
No, the off spacing are different.
Yeah.
You can't put the front and the back.
No, you see like the difference right here?
Yeah, the offsets are different. They have all the third gens like that with the 16-inch wheels like that.
I'm gonna put these rims on my car.
Yeah. And he's got the center caps too. Look at that shit.
He's got the GTA rims. Brand new.
Is the door open? Oh, Tom, I'm breaking your car. Oh, the steering wheel's in good shape too.
Dashboard is mint too.
Wow. I can't believe it snowed up Where he was.
Yeah.
April. Fucking snowing.
Twice it snowed on him already.
Popped out. I want to see what's going on with
yeah.
that. Oh, yeah. Ta-da! Hey, you painted it real nice too.
I used Eastwood paint, ceramic.
Nice, came out nice.
Not bad, right?
No, not bad, shit. Hey, even the firewalls. You painted the firewall too?
It was clean, but I painted it anyway.
Yeah. Oh, car's straight, man.
Yeah, the car's straight as an arrow. The bracket.
Yeah, that was
I
different.
went out and I bought the chrome bracket. Doesn't fit.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of guys just cut this off here and just make their own little fucking.
I was going to do
adjustment.
something, but
Yeah, no, keep it. Just paint it. Take it off and paint
Yeah.
it. Oh, it looks good. So what else you got left? You gonna
I gotta-
sand it?
I have to wet sand it,
Uh-huh.
and then when it goes to Jose, he's going to get sealed.
Why don't you just paint it yourself here? Why even send it? Why even waste the money and go to
No,
Jose?
I'm not painting anything.
Oh, okay. You heard that, Jose? No, you're not gonna see this video. No, it came out real nice. Shit.
You have to do wet sand and everything. That's it. And then it gets sealed. And then
I'd say take out the drip rails, but I know there's a pinch weld in there somewhere, right?
There's a trim that goes around here.
Yeah. I hate these fucking drip rails in these cars. But then I think you got to weld up the pinch rail or something like that.
Well, we're over here. There used to be a groove right here.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah, I seen that. With a.
I filled it all in.
Uh-huh.
Then there was a couple holes going across the roof. There was no rivets over here. That's all done. A couple rivets here.
That's locked. Let me get the fenders off.
Yeah.
You should take the doors off.
Well, that's when you go to the body shop.
Oh, but these doors are. I forgot how heavy these fucking doors are.
I can't-
Yeah, you can't do them by yourself.
I do it by myself.
Yeah. Yeah, but I remember when you had the other car, the other.
The Grand Prix, the Cutlass.
And when you took off the whole body panel, the whole fucking door
whole
broke.
fucking
You're like, oh shit, that's not a good thing.
What about when the back window fell out?
Yeah.
Remember the guy?
Wait, you sell that car, right? You sell the parts of that car. How'd you? What?
No, what happened was the guy came,
Uh-huh.
wanted to buy the car. I told him $1,700 for the car,
Uh-huh.
and then he turned around and he went like this to me. He goes, "I'll give you $1,000." That's when I started taking the car apart.
Uh-huh.
And then he came back. He goes, "No." He goes, "I want the car one piece." Meanwhile, he just wanted the motor and the training.
You know, I still got that video someplace of the black car, of the one that you took apart.
Yeah.
When you had it parked in front of the gas station, and had it idling.
Yeah.
I still got the video someplace.
I found it on YouTube.
Yeah, that was me, you idiot.
Yeah. No, there was another one.
Oh, I'm the one who put it on YouTube.
There was one in the front, and
Uh-huh.
then there was one in the back when the car was done with the exhaust.
Oh, okay. I'll see if I can cut to that.
Yeah.
I don't know when I'm gonna cut out this video, so don't worry about it. Let me do the other side real quick. I sent a picture of Tom. I sent a picture of the garage to Tom and see. Actually, I should take a picture of his car. Wait a minute. Oh my God, this is gonna be funny.
He sent me. I think I have a picture on Facebook with all the stuff on the car. He's like, get that shit up by Fiverr. Fucking parts of this car is everywhere.
Oh, gotta get rid of these fucking chrome wheels, dude.
Yeah,
These fucking truck Kreger wheels, man. Please get rid of those. And the Futuramic.
Those are going on.
Will they fit?
Those should fit. I wanted to put the Z28 rims from like your year on this car, but I don't know if the offset's gonna fit.
No. Are the 4th gen cars?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. No, I think the bolt pattern's the same, but I don't think the offset is gonna be. I don't know. I can always grab one of the rims off of my car and you can figure it out because they're equal spacing all the way around, so that's a good thing.
Try it in the front, try it in the back.
It's bigger than mine. Shit, man. My garage is only right to the mid wall here. That's it. I'm working with a half a garage. No, it's a full garage, but it's still
the same size garage that we had on Sand Lane.
Oh yeah, I think so. But why does it seem bigger in Sand Lane than over here?
Because you got this.
Yeah, back here.
If I didn't have this, I'd be really fucking jammed up.
Oh yeah, because it would be right up to here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
No, now I see why you took the garage.
And I got storage on the top.
Oh yeah, like the other place. We get storage on top too.